Hi, this project is in the making of the data visualization project by the Titan team. The agenda: introduction to the team, rationale for the choice of the problem statement, process and data design, case theory, visualization creation process. Our team consists of four people: Neeraj, Rahul, Ayush, and myself, Mitesh. We call ourselves the Titans. The team generally coordinates via Cisco WebEx, BlueJeans video calls, emails, and WhatsApp. We have come to the selection of the data set by the end of November 2014 and a high level storyline by 10th of December. Due to other submissions and exams, we slowed down our work on the DV project from the 10th to the 20th of December and then picked it up full strength, thus completing the submission on time and enjoying our holidays with the family. Rationale for the choice of the problem statement: we had looked at many data sets and wanted to have something more closer to home and something more current or even a story for the future. Wait a minute. How can we talk about a story of the future? Neither are we Nostradamus or somebody that can gauge the future. But the idea intrigued us. Create a story for the DV submission which has something about the current and also the future. We want to keep it simple, a common man can understand, and near to our hearts. Keeping these factors in mind, we looked at a modified India and our PM Narendra Modi's initiative Make in India. Our target senior management audience would be our respected PM Narendra Modi, his PMO office, Principal Secretary to PM Nipendra Mishra, and the Cabinet of Ministers. A few reasons why we chose the current Indian government as our target audience. Our thought process is to make an impact at a bigger level, and what better than to be a part of the leading a change in India process via our analysis and provide a story for the future. Like a lot of Indians, we see hope with the current leadership that India will once again gain the heights that it is due in the world order. We looked at various processes for data design, selection, definition, and follow through. These were many of the data sets that we looked at, like top 10 disasters or wars. In some cases, there were no standards and authentic data available. In other cases, the data was not accurate and different sites had different data, making it difficult to choose some specific topic. In some, there was no time series available, and so the representation in Tableau software would not work out properly. We looked at the World Development Indicators dataset given by the ISB school. The whole team discussed and debated on the merits and demerits of creating a DV output for WDI. We thought we could narrate a story via these indicators. However, the challenge was that there were 17.5 million data points in the Excel file for WDI. The following process for data design, selection, and definition follow through took place, where we excluded all the blank data points for all the years, focusing on GDP per capita of $30,000 and above, getting BRICS and a few other countries included in the analysis, removing almost same indicators and keeping the key indicators and important 11 of them, reducing the focus to the last 20 years, which is the internet age. We came down from 17.5 million to 4,620 data points. This is the list of the 21 countries presented in a world map view, and this is the list of 11 indicators that we have chosen. At a high level, we had some thoughts from the DV session in our mind. How do we ensure that we meet all these mentioned words? At the same point in time, keep it simple and easy to understand. What should be the design through process, story narratives, and choice of representations? As you can see, these were the concepts that we had in mind. Before going through the actual creation, the team discussed what should be the messaging, story to conclusion or conclusion to story, what would be the genre, and how would we be keeping the people engaged. We have done data analysis from selecting the right and smart data points, working on the correlation analysis for the countries, and also looking at the data points from the Tableau motion charts. Some of the encodings used and rational geographical map for various countries with colors for GDP per capita. Two Tableau dashboards contains a mix of different Tableau worksheets and encodings, multiple motion charts to include the time factor from 1990 to 2010, correlation graph, in a simple project horizontal bars using the red and green colors for showing correlation. We have learned and enjoyed in the making of DV project. Hope you do too. Thank you for the patience.